I'm Old Sneelock. Welcome to another episode of Old Sneelock's Workshop. Well, that was a lot easier than loading and unloading it from the pickup truck when I brought it home from Georgie's house. That was a job. Well, it's working. Having a slight problem though. The hydraulic cylinder, well, the hydraulic jack on the lift is not working. I have the valve opened all the way, or closed all the way, but it's not pumping up. Not sure what the problem is, but it looks like I'm going to have to take this thing apart. And do some repairs. Because I really need it to move with the bandsaw, the big wood bandsaw, and this is not going to function. I'm doing this to see if I can pour some oil through that control valve. It might have something in there causing it to stay open. Thinking pushing some oil through it might make it operate a little better. No. One of the check valves is open, just passing oil back and forth. So I'm going to have to take it apart. Probably one of the check valves in behind those set screws. It's a shame, but you know, things happen. So I'm going to leave the tractor in here and get the door closed, see if I can get it warmed up a little bit, pull out those check valves and see if I can make this thing actually function. But probably going to be tomorrow. It's 5 o'clock, time for supper. Yeah. When you're the chief cook in the house, you pretty much got to have more than one job, right? Lydia's not up and around like we want her to be, so I'm taking over a lot of the household duties too. It's all right. She's getting better.
This video is not to be viewed by anyone under the age of 13 in the U.S. or 16 in the European Union without the express written permission of the parents or the legal guardians of the underage person. Such written permission must be on file at the local government entity in charge of enforcing the rules and regulations established by the FTC. Anyone violating these terms is admitting by default that they hold harmless the owners and operators of this channel. Any and all questions should be addressed to your local branch of the FTC.